me show you how to change the download video quality on Netflix. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Netflix application. So when you open Netflix application, make sure in the My Netflix option in the right lower aspect of the screen, tap right here. Then you have this interface, and then please make sure you look in the right upper part of the screen. Right upper part, you see these three lines. So you tap the three lines, and then you're going to see the app settings. Select app settings. Now I want you to look at, we have the downloads option right here. Then you have the download video quality. So you're going to right now set to standard. So you tap on that. So right now the download video quality is set to standards, and you can actually see that standards downloads faster and uses less storage. So if you want to change this, you can actually use to the high standard, which actually uses more storage. Okay, tap the high. Okay, right there. Then you can actually see it's now set to high. So you can actually go back or select standard, according to your preference. Okay, so that's it.